Hello, everybody.
Hi. Hi.
This is Miss Piezas and
Micah, third grader. Summer, second grader, and also sucker collector.
okay. So tonight we're going to read one of Summer's favorite books, and we're going to read out of this book a lot. Summer, what's the name of this book?
Canine Stories for Rebel Girls.
And what's in this book?
It's girls that make their own rights.
Okay. Good. So today we're going to read, our first story is going to be about Ameenah Gurib-Fakim. She was president and scientist.
Wow.
So
Two at the same time.
Exactly. In an island nation in the Indian Ocean called Mauritius, there lived a girl who wanted to know everything about plants. Her name was Ameenah. Ameenah studied biodiversity. Do you see all the plants in this picture?
What is that?
What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is many different living things. The study of many different living things. She analyzed hundreds of aromatic and medicinal herbs and flowers. She studied their properties and traveled to rural villages to learn from traditional healers how they use plants in their rituals. So Ameenah looked to plants as medicine so that they could cure certain illnesses for people. For Ameenah, plants were like friends. Her favorite tree was the baobab because it was so useful. It stored water in its trunk. Its leaves can cure infection, and its fruit, called monkey apple, contains more proteins than human milk. Ameenah thought that a lot could be learned from plants. Plants like benjoin, for example. The leaves of the benjoin plant are different shapes and sizes. Animals won't eat plants they don't recognize, so they tend to leave leaves on this plant alone. Quite smart, don't you think? Some
Yes.
smart plants. Ameenah thought of plants as living biological labs full of vital information for humans and every other species. Every time a forest is cut down, we lose an entire laboratory, a lab that we will never, ever recover. Ameenah Gurib was elected president of Mauritius, and every day she fights hard for all the inhabitants of her country, people, animals, and of course, plants. So her quote is, "Humble plants hold surprising secrets." That's all for today. So we'll have another story soon. Bye.
And also, plants can be different colors.